Hello, my fellow DJs. I'm Killer Blue, and welcome to as you can see, this is a case. I probably should have told you this, but I'm slowly building my own gaming computer. I'm sorry if there's an echo in this room, but this is my case right here. As you can tell, my 400, 300 fuck me, tower with my motherboard here. This is my power supply with my 2 terabyte uh, hard drive right here, and my 2 monitors right here as well. And this is my microphone that's going to be used so far. I plan to upgrade this later on. And then this box has my power strip, my surge protected power strip with my lights that are going to go inside the case. And this is also kind of an update video because I'm halfway done with my computer. I still gotta get my my processor, my 2 sticks of 8 GB of RAM, so that's gonna be 16 gigs of RAM in this. With my solid state drive, I still gotta get for the operating system, and I still gotta get my graphics card. Yes, my graphics card. I'll be posting all the images on the screen at some point in this video. I'm not sure when. Of all my parts and everything. So if you guys do want to use my list, you can. Or upgrade it. I want to upgrade my parts later on to better stuff. Maybe the upgrade the maybe not the graphics card later on. But this is the list I'll be using. I'll put it up soon. And this is also a video of me telling you guys that I'm graduating high school soon. So more time for me to game and more time to work and get the rest of my parts. So you guys, maybe a couple of months from now, you'll be seeing me more active on YouTube and Twitch and stuff like that. Because I do want to stream and everything. You'll be seeing me gaming more. So just hold off because I'm getting close to graduation. That means I'm gonna be getting more cash, more stuff to get my parts. So I hope you guys do like my channel and everything, because it'll be big upgrade from my phone to a PC I'm building homemade. So I hope you guys do enjoy everything, and I'm Killer Blue, and I hope you enjoyed the video.